Hi guys,
そよぐ
Olivia
風
here
に
for today's
心
video.
ほ
Let's
ど
do reading
け
para
て
sa
ムーン
mga
ライ島
Aquarius. So if
柔
you have
ら
Sun,
ぐ
Moon,
と
Venus rising,
ひと
even
しず
Saturn
くの
placements
夢
in
を救っ
Aquarius,
て
this reading
ゆら
might
り
be for you.
始まるストーリ
Ito ay
ー
para sa love and career sa first week to second week ng month of July. First to second week ng month of July ng mga Aquarius sa kanilang career and love life. But before anything else, I would like to say maraming salamat sa lahat ng bagong followers, subscribers, nagko-comments sa mga videos, nagla-likes, nagsi-share. Thank you so much guys. That is a really huge help for me para mas ma-continue ko pa ito. Well, I love doing tarot, so thank you again so much. Again, this is for the sign of Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, and even Saturn placements. Ano ang meron sa iyong love and career this first to second week of July? Let's go. We got the Lovers. Okay. The Lovers. Three of Pentacles. Habang nakatitig ako sa The Lovers card, which is ang first card natin, na napapako yung mata ko dito sa may ahas. Something ahas. Ayan. And for some of you here, maring magkaroon ng betrayal or a message regarding sa betrayal sa relationship ninyo, sa career, sa mga groups. So, use this as a guide lang. And what's next? Five of Cups. Meron ditong magtatapos, or maybe if you are expecting a graduation or graduate ka ba, it's a yes. Nine of Wands. Six of Swords. The Hanged Man. Another for Aquarius, love and career. Message po from first to second week ng July. Seven of Pentacles. Ace of Swords. Four of Pentacles. Maybe meron kang Gemini placements. So, check nyo yung Gemini video. Pwedeng may message or messages sa'yo na para doon. From there, but yeah, let's start reading for sign ng mga Aquarius. Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, may nakikita akong betrayal dito, especially sa partnership. Hindi lang siya tumutukoy sa relationship or romance, pero double check niyo din yung mga friends ninyo, yung mga pinagkakatiwalaan ninyo sa inyong finances, sa emotions. Kumbaga, yung mga nakakaalam ng deeper or deepest version of yourself. Pwede kasing magkaroon dito ng emotional manipulation. May nakikita akong magician here. Maybe there's somebody around you na manipulate ka through emotions, and mapi-figure out mo siya this week or this July. And you might end that kind of partnership para na rin maka-receive ka ng clarity. For some of you here, you are being called to rest, to leave yung mga situation na sobra ka nang napipressure. Not totally to end fully. For some, hindi kailangan na i-fully end yung relationship. Maybe you just need some time away for yourself para makapag-isip-isip. For some of you here, I can see, wag naman sana, we're not claiming this energy. There's a broken family I can see here. Maybe may malalaman ka related sa relationship mo with your partner right now, and instead of continuing that kind of relationship na meron kayo, maybe magde-decide ka na to finally end it na lang. Whether ito ay sobrang masakit for you, and you will gain something while leaving that relationship. Maybe you will there's also an energy here when it comes to bonus. You might receive a paycheck, a comment, or a message, an email na regarding sa bonus if ayan ang mga hinihintay mo. For some of you here, there is an undecided na plano. Kung hindi pa sobrang concrete or hindi ka sigurado sa planong ito, might as well take some time to step back and rest, and tingnan nyo muna kung ano ang dahilan kung bakit may nararamdaman kang hesitations and delays. Maybe because of what's happening astrologically. We have Mercury retrograde right now, and kakatapos lang din ng full moon in Capricorn, and we have also Jupiter in Leo. So pwedeng magkaroon ka ng alam mo yung padalos-dalos ka when it comes to your career, and sa kalagitnaan nun, bigla kang may makikitang changes na hindi mo gusto. So might as well hindi na siya muna dapat i-continue. So ayun, yeah, that's a sign. And there's also an energy here na maybe may mga truths kang hindi mo kayang paniwalaan. You have to be open when it comes to that para magkaroon ka ng clarity. And for some of you here, there is this person na sobrang close sa'yo na pwedeng ayain ka to visit somewhere. Pwedeng ano ka dito magkakaroon ka ng hesitations. Again, if you are hesitating sa isang bagay, iba kasi yung guts na yun, kinakabahan ka. Yung alam mo yung guts na kabado ako, but then again, I will still try this. Kesa sa yung hesitant ka. If mas madalas kang hesitant sa isang bagay or sa isang person, you have to take a step back, ask for discernment, and doon ka na mag-decide kapag nagkaroon ka na ng clarity. So again, this is a message for Aquarius. Sana ay makatulong, and don't forget to comment anything, like, and subscribe. Follow nyo din ako sa TikTok accounts ko. Mas active po ako doon. Thank you, and see you next video.